All right, guys, so we are still talking about elapsed time. And remember that elapsed time just means that that is the amount of time that has passed between events, okay? And we've already talked about what makes an hour, 60 minutes, half an hour is 30 minutes, and a quarter hour is equal to 15 minutes, okay? So today we're going to try another problem similar to the one we had first, okay? So let's read it. It says, Jillian started reading last night at 4:45. She finished her book at 6:30. How long did Jillian read? So remember, first of all, what we do, we look for our question that's within the word problem, okay? And it says, how long did Jillian read? So down here, I'm going to write my answer sentence. Jillian read 4, and I'm going to leave that blank, okay, to fill in our answer at the end, okay? So our next step is to draw our number line, okay? All right, so I'm going to go back in the problem and look for my start time to see if it's there. So I know that she started reading at 4:45. So I can label that on this side of my number line. And I know that she finished her book at 6:30. So that is going to be my ending time. So now that I know I have both of those, I know that I'm finding the length of time in between these two events. So now we're going to make our jumps on our number line. So first of all, look at my first time, 4:45, and ask myself, can I jump 1 hour? Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and jump 1 hour. I'll label it up here, and then I'm going to label my new spot on my number line, which is 5:45. Okay. Then I look to see if I can jump another hour. Now, if I jump another hour, I'm going to be at 6:45, and that is too far. So here I'm going to have to figure out how I can jump to get to 6:30. So I want to see if I can jump to the next hour. So I'm at 5:45, and I know that takes 15 minutes to get to the next hour. Now I'm at 6 o'clock, and I didn't have to jump 15 minutes. I could have broken that into 10 minutes and then 5 minutes. It's up to you and how you want to jump. Okay, now I'm at 6 o'clock, and I'm going to 6:30. So my last jump is going to be 30 minutes. So I jump it and label it. Okay, now that I have figured that out, I've got to figure out how much time she read. So up here, I add up my hours first. So she read 1 hour. Plus, I've got 15 and 30 minutes. So I add those up. 15 plus 30. And altogether, that gives me 1 hour and 45 minutes. So I can write that into my answer sentence. She read for 1 hour and 45 minutes. So that is another example of how you can use the number line to solve elapsed time problems.